Hello everyone, I'm Masoud Bakhtiari, a structural engineer. Chapter 1.5 from Hand, ETABS and Revit course. Because the calculation is less than the minimum rebars, we choose the minimum rebars for the flexural design beam. As we analyzed the beam in the previous step and videos, now we select the design object and then display up design option, and then we check the required section of the longitudinal rebars. As you can see, the amount of longitudinal reinforcement is equal to 2.68 square inches. By right-clicking on the beam and selecting the frame design detail option, it will open in the window information about the cross-section beam and that the force acted on the beam on resistance reduction coefficient and other stresses, and also the cross-sectional area of the required rebar can be seen. As you can see, the amount of reinforcement provided and required in ETABS software is equal to the amount we calculated by manual calculations